Welcome to Kyoto, where every moment feels like a step into another world. It's our first full day here and we're already immersed in the city's rich culture and history. Last night we indulged in some mouthwatering meat at a local restaurant before visiting the Inari Shrine to learn the art of Japanese prayer. Today we're up early to explore the famous Fushimi Inari Shrine, which has been captivating visitors for centuries.
Fushimi Inari is dedicated to the Shinto god of rice, Inari, and this is supposed to be one of the most important shrines for that god.
This is so cool.
Inariyama is known for having almost 10,000 torii, and a torii is a gate that symbolizes the entrance to a Shinto shrine. They're actually donated by people who are grateful for their wishes coming true.
The gates are so big, it's almost hard to describe like how large they are until you see them up close in person. It's so peaceful just wandering through all the gates, taking a look at all the scenery, saying hello to all the foxes. It is just beautiful here.
Foxes were thought to be Inari's messengers, so you can see these foxes everywhere throughout the shrines. They're usually holding a little message in their mouth, so be on the lookout for those when you come. I think a lot of people don't hike all the way up, so a lot of people stop halfway. Don't worry about taking your pictures down below, just keep going, get up top, and it's beautiful. And you have it much more to yourself. Nice.
Just as.
I have no clue if you're supposed to do that. I just saw other people doing it, so hope it brings me good luck or something.
Yeah, hopefully not bad luck. I didn't do it, so I'm the control.
It felt gentle. It felt loving. It was gentle.
We got to the crossroads, which is a good view of Kyoto. We decided not to go all the way to the top due to time, so we're headed back down now.
We bought one of these little cats with a fortune inside for our friend, and if you get a bad fortune, you're supposed to tie it on the shrine so it doesn't come true. If you get a good fortune, you're supposed to take this with you and keep the little idol. But since it's a gift, we're just gonna hope that it's good, and if it's bad...
Sorry, Mike. Make sure you get here early. It gets very crowded. All right, let's go get some coffee. I know we're at Starbucks, but they had the tatami mat, so felt like we had to do it.
Same ice latte, just on the ground.
All right, this afternoon, Lauren and I are exploring Ninenzaka. It's this beautiful street with a bunch of shops, restaurants, and little coffee shops, and there's a lot of people walking out in traditional Japanese outfits, which is really cool to see. So we're just exploring, eating a lot of good food, and then we're gonna leave.
So let's go find some
More
food now. Rice cake, a mochi. I can't quite place it. It kind of has like a burnt taste to it, but it's interesting. This is called a taigaku, fried sweet potato with some soy sauce.
That was my favorite. The mochi rice cake wasn't my thing. I want to say it right in front of the shopkeeper, but skip it.
The burnt taste was really interesting. So it has like a glassy soy sauce glaze, but it definitely has like a, I don't know, like a burnt texture that you can taste on the back of your tongue and get like sweet mochi better. Happy?
Dessert before lunch.
I am loving all of the matcha goods. I got an iced matcha latte with brown sugar syrup and a matcha tiramisu. Very good.
We just had lunch at Masaichi. It's this really small restaurant that only has like 4 tables, and we got to sit on the traditional tatami mats, and we had a delicious meal. I ordered like a sashimi platter, which was like a traditional Japanese meal with the sashimi and a bunch of little side dishes. It was like rice and soba noodles with some tofu as well. Lauren had some shrimp tempura. It was out of this world. We highly recommend it.
And the chef was so cute and so sweet. He said goodbye to us as we walked out, but really great experience. Definitely recommend it. It is cash only, so make sure you don't make our mistake, but very much worth it. We're headed to Kiyomizu-dera. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
So you can pay 100 yen to get a massage at the temple that we're at, but it's only in Japanese, so Lauren doesn't know what it says, and we're trying to translate it.
In the road and wait for the month. I don't know what that means. I think it's good. If anyone can translate this for me, please let me know. According to Google Translate, I think it's good, so I'm gonna take it with me, but I would love to know.
Kiyomizu-dera is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has a massive wooden stage and stunning views. Just finished at the temple. It was beautiful. Now we're about to head back to our hotel, freshen up real quick, and then we have a cooking class tonight, so we're gonna start walking that way.
We were almost late, but we made it, and I'm very excited.
I am too. I love ramen, and I want to learn how to make it.
Here we go. Okay.
Roll it.
Sugar. Sweet.
What do I do with this?
I don't know yet. We'll find out.
My dough.
I gotta get the body into it. Hands are like all red. My poor fist. Garrett was over there with those weak punches. Yeah, because you're doing a weird thing. Oh, I gotta be good.
It's the perfect noodle. I just kind of want to like cook this and eat one big noodle with mine.
Inner noodle.
I like big noodles.
Like a thick nude.
I like a thick nude. Teamwork. We need to buy store-bought noodles ever again.
We have this thing at home.
Keep it warm. I get hungry. The anticipation is
Chicken, garlic oil.
You are now a ramen chef.
I am. An apron. Garrett got a t-shirt. Very much. Very good.
Arigato. Thank you very much.
All right, we are back in the room after our ramen class. This was a very successful day, but after a stomach full of nudes, I think we are officially calling it quits for today.
That cooking class was amazing. We had so much fun. We're gonna get some rest, and tomorrow we have a big day planned for our final few hours in Kyoto. So we'll see you then.